Alright, 8th graders, so the last lesson you guys added polynomials. Alright, this lesson focuses on multiplying two monomials. Alright, so we're going to have two terms. Well, they're not technically terms because there's no addition or subtraction, but we're going to multiply two separate things here. Alright, we have, for example, 8x times 2x to the fourth. Alright, now the math behind this and why it works is all I have right now is multiplication. 8x, that's really just 8 times x, times 2x to the fourth. That's really just 2 times x to the fourth. Now, you guys know that multiplication is commutative and associative. So really, any order, any grouping. Alright, so I could rearrange this thing as 8 times 2 times x to the fourth. Alright, now I know 8 times 2, that's just 16. I also know what x times x to the fourth is because we did a unit on multiplying exponents, or powers, with the same base. Alright, when you're multiplying two powers with the same base, x, you keep the base the same, and you add exponents. Alright, this is important, you add their exponents. Now x, that does in fact have an invisible exponent. It's a 1. Alright, so I do 1 plus 4, that gives me 5. Alright, so my final answer here is 16x to the fifth. Now, you guys aren't going to want to expand this, alright, and use the commutative and associative property every time. I probably could have put some parentheses there to show the associative property. Alright, but what you need to know is you just multiply the numbers with the numbers. Alright, so on our next example we have 8 and 5, so you do 8 times 5, which is 40. And then you multiply the powers. Alright, I have z times z to the fourth. Alright, keep the base the same. Add the exponents, so I have a 1 plus a 4, that's 5. So it's 40z to the fifth power. Alright, let's do one more. Alright, I have 6c to the third times 2c to the ninth. I can do my numbers times my number. So 6 times 2 is 12. Then I do my powers times my power. Alright, so c to the third times c to the ninth is just c to the 12th. Alright, so guys, you multiply the numbers, alright, then you multiply the powers. Keep the powers, the base the same, add their exponents. Good luck.